Hey guys, welcome to another train review running session tonight. Yes, I know it's March now. Mercury is coming quite quickly around. Really close to summer, not too far away now. The only thing I don't like about summer is because it's too hot at night sleeping, but the rest is fine. But it's just during the night time I like to sleep. Right, I have got some liquid with me because this is going to be a slightly different video. You remember when I am just going to be talking about tonight's video with running trains. We are going to start cracking on with this pop-up dream layout of mine. And probably about next week, we'll start doing on that next week. So keep you guys peeled for that, because that obviously will be coming up next week when I start putting some stuff together. So that'll be pretty cool. For the time being, while we're just playing with the freight train, pretty cool, isn't it? Make sure you turn on those subscribe, turn on those notifications, follow me on Instagram, quite a Facebook description, TikTok, link down there in the description. As I said, it won't be just running trains tonight, we are going to start working on towards this proper layout of mine very, very soon. It's going to be starting next week. Then probably the 10th to the 15th of March. But I'll go on the laptop soon. I don't know, I'm glad people do it, and then another day after that one. Let's get on. I thought I'd just stop it there for the moment because obviously we're just going to take a look at these magazines before we carry on with the trains. Model trains they are. There's quite a few of them. That's only 3 of them out, but there's a lot more. 3 of them. There's the Class 25 in there, the A4, and the Bastard of Britain. Train coaches, got the 47, we've got the Dash 8 down there. Pendolino 350 and the Howden Class 33. And all the other bits and pieces down there. And up here, this is all the magazine layout plans. You can see it because I marked them out. But yes, this is where part 2 is going to come in very soon. We're going to put these things together and start putting the proper layout together. Cork will be on the way when I order it, which will be probably very soon. Will be after hours to be done on my after my computer's been sorted, but we'll get that sorted very soon. So yeah, so we're running trains tonight. I think what I might do for tonight's video is play with some steam trains. But other than that, I'm not really doing much else. We're going to do some more close-up shots with some steam trains tonight. The HST is in the siding, which is not quite long enough for the unit, but it's going to be on a certain link for the siding on the proper layout, but same with the blue forming, but Batman will be on that proper layout, as well as a few other HSTs, which I'll get sooner, no rather than later, because obviously I want to get all these Spencer trains before the post got too much going on for them. So I might as well try at least get a few more Spencer trains before things go out of hand way too much. But let's face it. Right, while you're ready. So yeah, so we're just going to be putting Swing to Swallow coaches by the A4 and the Battle of Britain type model. Got the bullet type and we've got the A4 type. The only model I got in my collection so far. But we will get more. We will get more locomotives. Eventually there might have to be all second-hand models in time, but for the time being I think they'll do alright for what they need it for. Strange. Right. I'm a little tired, but again, just because I didn't get much sleep last night, maybe tonight I get a better night's sleep. There we go. Let's get the A4 first, and then we do the rebuild. Well, not rebuild. It's the Battle of Britain. I think it's called Spitfire, the one that's actually won, of course, the rail disaster in 1948 or something. Could be one. I think that's one of the name of the train, what it was called. Yeah, A4 is going to have to be borrowed. The Class 7 coupling. Just for the time being, 2-1, should put in a train. Yes, Model Y is not cheap, and I can be honest with that, it's not cheap. But it is fun. The idea is basically enjoy your trains, afford what you can afford. I think recommended to get a second hand for a lot of your stuff in the future, but you get them in condition, the one that works well, runs well, and it's better to have lights, make sure the one's just got a good setup, good reputation. You should be alright. So let's see what it looks like today.